Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the JPEG version of the frame mockup in Pixlr. First, go to pixlr.com in any web browser, pixlr.com, and it'll give you two options. We're going to click on Playful Pixlr X, and we want to click on this Open Image button to open the mockup. And then if we look in the JPEG folder here, it'll give us 6 different options. So you just want to choose which option you want and then click choose. It's going to give you a message asking you if you want to size it down. We don't want to do that. Just click original to open the original size. And then once it opens, to add our design inside the frame, we'll click this little icon at the bottom of the left hand side that says add image. When we hover over it, we'll just click once on that and it'll give us several options to add the image. We'll click browse to open it off our computer. Now it's going to give us a message asking us if we want to create a new document or add it to the current document. So we'll click add current, and it's going to helpfully add it as a new layer in our current document. We might want to resize that. So to do that, we'll hold down the shift key to keep the design proportional, and then we'll just click and drag on any of the 4 corners. Dragging in makes it smaller, dragging out makes it bigger. And then when we think we've got it about the right size, we can just click on the image and kind of drag it in place. If you need to resize it some more, you can just hold on the shift key and click on any of the 4 corners again, and then just click and drag it in place. And then when you're done with that, you just click the save button at the bottom here to save it. If you want to use this as a thumbnail for use on sites like Etsy, you'll probably want to save a JPEG. So we'll just click the JPEG tab here. I would change the quality to 100, make sure it's on high, and then just click download to download our JPEG. It's just going to let us know that the image was saved to the default download folder on your device, and then it'll even give you the option to change where that file gets saved. And that's pretty much all there is to adding your design to the JPEG version of the frame mockup with Pixlr. Please let me know if you have any questions by messaging me at melissabmockups.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And remember, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.